Shawarma, this one at 2024. You still dey waka from one joint to another because you wan eat that your favorite food wey you no sabi cook for house. Oya, wait and learn. Make I show you how I take make this shawarma when make oga say e marry well o. This one I did before because I want make my chicken soak inside the ingredient. I don't cut it and finish, then put them inside clean water. Wash them very well. They come filter am so not one single water for inside the chicken. Pour am inside another plate. Add this my Greek yogurt inside. This yogurt go make everything circulate inside. At the same time, it contains a lot of protein. Now I don't carry and put inside, mix and carry this my sweet chili pepper. Pour am inside as I want. Remember, say we Africa, we know they do measurement. Now I will go tell to say you don't do. Carry my soy sauce, put am, carry my sweet chili pepper, pour am inside, then do better mixing. After I don't mix am, I carry my onions, pour am inside. This one are blended onions, then ginger and garlic. Then go add this seasoning, join am, take mix am very well. Add small salt inside. I can cover am overnight, put am inside my fridge. This one at the next day, as I won't use this non-stick pot, I just need small oil. As this chicken go still bring in your oil, add in your water, join am. At the same time, it go cook and it go still fry. Now to carry this my carrot, put them inside water. As I won't wash all the washing and washable, still they use the same eye till they look my chicken, make it not go burn for fire. Now I don't clean and finish. Now to set this my ogbonge food processor, use and file and well because I don't want make it come put am for mouth. It go come they hard you to break the vegetable with your teeth. So you need to do very fine. Then clean my area maker for see space do my do. Now I don't pour them inside bowl. When go let me mix all the ingredients together. Then come they fry this my chicken again. You see say don't dry water now. At the same time, it fry and it cook. Now I don't fry and finish. Now to carry small of the vegetable, put them inside bowl. Carry my mayonnaise, pour them inside. This one are my ketchup. I don't pour them inside finish. The next thing now to add is my sweet chili sauce. Add and put inside finish. Carry small sugar instead of salt. Not add salt joiner. Add sugar joiner. Then put milk. If you get pick milk at this point, use them. As you not get, put the milk inside this mixture so that it go melt together. At this point, it need to be very creamy. So that as you bite the shawarma, your mouth go make yummy. Now I carry all this chicken, pour them inside because I don't want dry shawarma. If you like, not add your chicken joiner. But for me, this is how I want it. As I want make it very creamy. Carry 2 layers of this bread. Carry am lie down for ground. At this point, I dey miss my husband own and my son own. As I go remix my own again because both of them know they eat pepper and me I dey like pepper. I don't pour and put finish now to gradually fold down. May anything not throw away for inside the shawarma. Then carry am go lie down for inside hot fry pan so that the fire go help you cook the bread. At the same time, go join them together. This one and my son own. As in sumo and got to chop some more food. I make pikin not come do pass himself. I can gradually fold down together. Make sure say none of them go throw away at all. Then fold and finish, carry them, return them back inside the fry pan. You see the way it dey neat, make it not scatter inside the fry pan. At this point, I want remix my own. I add pepper join inside the plate. The small one will remain inside the plate. Then add small lemon join. Now, Oga no go like this lemon taste for inside, but for me, I love it. Add more mayonnaise. They can put this sweet pepper. Then pour the remaining small chicken, pour them inside. Do better thorough mixing. Make all the pepper mix together. Carry 2 bread lie down for ground. Then pour them inside. Come add this extra vegetable. It never finish. I need to still add cucumber joiner because I need to bite everything biteable inside this shawarma. See the hot pass. I don't carry and put inside finish. Now to gradually fold them and foldable. Hobby not they like veggie. In case you they ask why I not put veggie for my husband own. So I don't want anything when you not go appreciate for inside the shawarma at all. So I got to do how it take one time. At this point, now to turn the second back and front for the one when I don't put inside fry pan finish, make the both side roast. At the same time, make it hot inside. Remember saying that everything cold, we take miss the cream when they inside. So the body needs to hot, constantly hot, enter inside the shawarma. As you put them for man, you're not going to do you go through waste speed. At this point, now to carry out this my foil paper, then put them inside. You need to wrap and make it still there warm. Especially put them for man, it go feel the heat. I make sure say I seal the both side, make it not throw away. See the way it make kind. At this point, I to carry my son on put inside foil paper too. They can carry my own put back inside the pot because that one too need to hot together. At this point, now to also wrap my son on very well for inside foil paper. Then make sure say I lock the both side, make it not go they eat for off, then the down go they throw away. Now my own done ready now to put them inside foil paper at the same time. Then do the wrapping and wrappable. Come on, see my husband when say I got you my wife, just they cook while I they watch TV. Guys, let's go and serve Oga. See Bessie why they suffer for, why they suffer they do shawarma for. He don't sleep. Honey?
Sorry, yeah. My wife, my potential. But see, you get problem.
Why you dey sleep?
I dey wait for you. Say, do this shawarma for me. Now why I just say that you go don't cheat me.
But I asked you just now, say,
everything.
You still there awake? You say, I dey awake.
I dey wait. I don't feel wait. The sleep they do me, they go and you still dey. So you never go back to the video.
See your eye, they red. I
So
just
come.
make my own separate because I put pepper.
So this shawarma you made now, I believe it's very yummy.
Test down first, make you
Perfect
rate.
check. You get more for me for this because
I make it small so that you know tire you.
okay. So that list what I said, you right hand bring her now.
Yeah, guys, look at his eyes.
This is crushing. You hear what you want. Right on.
Yeah, go.
Why did you doubt me?
Bye, guys.
Right on now.
Oh, yeah, rate me first, 1 to 10.
11 over 10. More than 10.
Eh? This one and that one, they carry me, they go chop
I'm
for
asleep.
a boy.
You finish work. I marry well.
You don't marry well now.
I'm just sleep. What mama be won't give me for dream? Say chop my own, chop my own. Say no, my wife they cook.
What old mama be want? If won't give you for a dream.
Chop my shawarma. So I said no. The one my wife they cook is. I got you. Try that for your head. No,
I'll give you what? I'm going to bring this for you.
Poor.
Go on.